Okay, now next is the molar conductivity. What is the variation in molar conductivity with concentration? Now, in case of concentration, what we mean by concentration? Concentration is कि जब concentration of the ions. So molar conductivity, it decreases with the increase in concentration. Increase in concentration means when the dilution is decreased. अगर हम concentration increase कर रहे हैं मतलब dilution कम कर रहे हैं. When we are increasing the dilution, the concentration decreases. That is, it is vice versa, or it is inversely related to each other. Now, lambda m decreases with increase in concentration. We are going to take the variation in two cases. The one is strong electrolyte and the other one is weak electrolyte. For strong electrolyte, that means there is 100% dissociation. That we all know. Strong electrolyte का case like HCl और KCl, NaCl, ये सारे क्या है 100% dissociate होते हैं. When we plot a graph between lambda m and root C, concentration versus molar conductivity, we get a graph like this. Suppose हमने KCl का लिया है तो KCl का ऐसे straight line आएगी, right? So we can see when the concentration increases, the molar conductivity decreases. अगर हम कंसंट्रेशन को कम करते हैं तो मोलर कंडक्टिविटी बढ़ती है. कंसंट्रेशन को कम करते हैं मतलब हमने डाइल्यूशन को बढ़ा दिया है. कंसंट्रेशन कम हो रही है मतलब डाइल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है. डाइल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है मतलब मोलर कंडक्टिविटी भी बढ़ रही है. इफ दिस स्ट्रेट लाइन इज एक्सट्रापोलेटेड, so we get a value over here. This is what when we have the maximum value of lambda m. This value is called, this is what maximum value of lambda m. This is what we call limiting molar conductivity. Now when we get this molar conductivity, limiting value of this molar conductivity, limiting value कब मिल रही है हमें? जब concentration कितना है? 0. When the concentration is 0. When we will have concentration 0, when there is maximum dilution. जितना ज़्यादा dilution होगा उतना कम concentration होगा. So we can say that at infinite dilution, we get this limiting molar conductivity. So we can say, we can use the symbol lambda m at infinite, that means limiting molar conductivity at infinite dilution when C tends to 0, right? So we get a value for this strong electrolyte. When we take the second case, that is for weak electrolyte, say CH3COOH, we get a graph like this. When we see this graph, we can see that when the concentration decreases, the molar conductivity increases, जैसा हमने ये लिखा हुआ है. अगर हम concentration को कम कर रहे हैं तो molar conductivity बढ़ रही है. इस ग्राफ के हिसाब से क्या है? सबसे पहले जो concentration जैसे जैसे बढ़ती गई, concentration कम होती गई, dilution बढ़ता गया, इसका एक जो molar conductivity है वो slowly बढ़ती गई. एक टाइम ऐसा आया कि जब इसका एक बहुत शार्प इंक्रीज है मोलर कंडक्टिविटी में. दिस ग्राफ कैन नॉट बी एक्सट्रापोलेटेड टू गेट कोइंसाइड विद दिस लैम्डा एम. लैम्डा एम की वैल्यू हमें इनफाइनाइट डाइल्यूशन पे नहीं मिल सकती. सो to get the value or the limiting molar conductivity at infinite dilution, this problem, because weak electrolyte के साथ हमें ये limiting molar conductivity नहीं मिल पा रही थी. So instead of for this, an indirect method has been taken out. Indirect method to take out the value of lambda m infinite. And what is that indirect method? On the basis of Colroche law. So that indirect method is on the basis of Colroche law. Colroche law जो है वो एप्लीकेबल दोनों के लिए है. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, क्योंकि हमें लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी नहीं मिल पा रही है इन इनफाइनाइट डिल्यूशन. So it is for this only. This is for both, but this is mainly applicable for weak electrolyte. That is what Colroche law. So this limiting molar conductivity is at infinite, molar conductivity at infinite dilution when C is equal to 0, right?